Vithoulkas compass represents one of the most advanced developments in modern homeopathy, combining classical principles with artificial intelligence-based analysis. Developed under the guidance of George Vithoulkas. This system is designed to assist homeopaths in selecting the most appropriate remedy with greater precision. It is not just a repertory or a simple software. It is a clinical decision support tool that uses a vast database of clinical cases and remedy confirmations. In practice, the physician inputs the patient's symptoms, mental, emotional, and physical, into the system. The compass then analyzes this information using advanced algorithms and compares with thousands of documented cases. Based on this comparison, it suggests the remedies that have shown similar patterns in real clinical situations. Now we will see the key concept of this method. What makes Vithoulkas compass truly unique is its focus on pattern recognition and clinical verification rather than just theoretical repertorization. It tries to understand the essence of the case, matching it with previously confirmed cases to suggest remedies that are not only similar in symptoms but also proven in practice. This creates a bridge between classical homeopathic philosophy, that is individualization and totality, and modern technology, AI-based analysis, big data. It enhances confidence, especially in difficult and chronic cases where remedy selection can be challenging. Now we'll see the importance in modern practice. Vithoulkas compass offers first, faster and more refined remedy suggestions. Then it supports in complex and confusing cases. Next, learning through real clinical data. Next, a modern evidence supported approach. However, like all tools, it does not replace the physician's final prescription, still depends on clinical judgment and materia medica confirmation. In essence, we'll see, Vithoulkas compass is a powerful modern tool that brings together experience, data, and technology to support homeopaths in making more accurate and confident prescriptions. Thank you.